And then I started thinking to myself, I should sell these things.
I mean, they are so beautiful. They would make lovely earrings, wouldn't they?
They would.
Yeah, you could do them like this.
You could.
Now, do you have specific names for these? What model is this we're looking at?
This one is called Corinna.
Is what?
Corinna.
Corinna.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes.
Well, they are so Christmassy, and you know, the interesting thing about...
And
that's
guess
all right.
what?
It's all
They're
right.
unbreakable.
Unbreakable.
See?
The interesting thing about Jean's ornaments is that they're so feminine. They have that really feminine touch. But I've taken the liberty of designing some Christmas ornaments you might want to carry online that men could relate to. These are the dudes' balls, I call them.
The dudes' balls.
This one is decorated with beer caps. Can we get a shot of that? This is the duct tape ball. I mean, this is the type of thing, you know, dudes might be able to relate to.
You know, I have a category on my site.
You haven't seen the best.
For dude balls.
This is the chewing tobacco ball. It's covered with chewing tobacco. I think Sussex County downstate, they might like this model. What I'm wondering is, this is the double set. This is the set. Would it be possible for you to carry these on your website, the men's balls?
Yes, it could be the dude ball.
Dude balls.
The dude ball.
Dude balls.
I think it has...
So where should they go?
Christmasballs.com. Go to the dude balls category, and you will find the tobacco ball.
The tobacco ball. Well, Jean, it's been a pleasure to have you with us. And we have my man David Zipsy playing the keyboard.
Yeah, we also have golden lace, and they're unbreakable.
Thanks for being with us, Jean.
I'm serious.
Thank you. Let's dance.